Hey, hi friends, welcome to V Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about one statement, many variables in JavaScript. So, like we can say that this is a feature or one of the advantages provided by the JavaScript. So, I will show you with couple of examples that how we can use this feature, that one statement, many variables in JavaScript. So, for that, let me first create couple of variables. So I just created a x variable which contains the 10 value into it and like name. Okay, so I created just three of the variables: x, name, age. So x contains the 10 value, name is nothing but about a person name, age is nothing but about a person age. Okay, so we created three variables in three multiple lines. Okay, here you can see in the screen. Okay, but now let's say how we can do those things by using one statement, many variables into it. So I will show you with one of the simple example: number one and number two. So these are the three variables I have just created. So this is what nothing but called as the one statement with multiple variables into it. So now in the screen you can see that I have just created the one variable with multiple numbers. But how does it works? Okay, so it works with the comma separated. Okay, I mean, you can't declare multiple variables into it without using the comma separated. Okay, so if you just want to declare multiple variables in one statement, then you need to use the comma separated value. Okay, which I did in this statement. So that is what we called as the one statement with multiple variables with the comma separated value. Okay, so but one more thing is that in this line you can see here I have just declared those three variables with comma separated, but I have not assigned any type of value into it. Let me show you that one with the example also. So now in the screen you can see I have just declared three variables y, z and s, and also assigned the value 10, 20 and 30 respectively with the comma separated value into it. And that is why it is called as the one statement with multiple variables into it. So if you just want to declare or assign multiple variables in one statement, then what you can do, you just need to declare and assign those variables and value by using the comma separated value. Okay, otherwise you can't do it. So there is one more way is there, like so h equal to 10. Okay, now I can do the similar type of thing like this also. Okay, so I can declare like multiple variables with one statement like this also. Okay, this is also works fine in case of the JavaScript. So now here you can see like these are the different types how I can declare and assign values within multiple statement as well as in the single statement. So in case of the last statement, here you can see I have just declared multiple variables with single statement, but just for formatting, just what I did. So I just declared j and k into the separate statement. Still, we can write those j and k in the same statement. Okay. So now what is the advantages? Like let's say I just want to declare some 100 type of variables in one of the project. Okay, so if I declare in 100 lines, then then it will be very complicated for that person to identify. Just to reduce the line, I mean, we can write those multiple variables declaration as well as assignment into the single line. So that's why we called as one statement with multiple variables, and to separate those variables we need to use the comma statement. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you.